Hi everyone and welcome back to the MadTechTalk. So within this video, I'm actually gonna talk about the top, I think, 4 accessories that you need for your Sony ZV-E10. So I recently bought that camera, I'm very excited about it. It works great, records great quality, but then I thought, well, I need to take it a step further. And to do that, I bought the, I think, top accessories which are actually making your life easier on a daily basis. And I'm gonna start from the actual basics. So the first one is actually this one, which is the SD card. And I think this is something which you need. I always buy in 2, so I bought 2 of those. And I totally recommend buying the ones which have the kind of a free here, which is the higher kind of version of it. This is an extreme one, which goes with the speed up to 180 Mbps, which is megs per second, which supports 4K. This is an important part. Like this boy, which is like 128 gig, supports around 4 hours of recording of the 4K, which I think it's, you know, a decent, especially for kind of like a general kind of recording. If you do it on like a highest frame rate, for example on the Sony ZV-E10, which is the 25 frames and 100 M, then it will support around 2.5 hours, which is also, you know, good enough if you're recording kind of a high quality videos. And this comes this goes for like 25 bucks, which I think is just a very good price. You can always find it a bit cheaper. I love using SanDisk, it's just the stuff which I like. So the second one, which I do appreciate, it's actually something for the Newell. By the way, none of those are sponsored. This is just what I kind of went for. So Newell is actually the power accumulator. So this is a charger with actually 2 accumulators to it. So there are 2 battery replacement and 1 charger, and this is something which obviously you need, especially if you're recording a lot of videos. You want to make sure that you have more of those because you want to quickly swap the batteries. This is actually a pretty cool thing, so I'm going to show you how does it look. Let me show you actually here. Boom. So this is the cable and this is the actual charger. So you can see it here on this camera, and you can also see it right here. Look, that's decent, right? So this, and then you have 2 accumulators, 2 batteries to it, which you can quickly, you know, swap on the camera if it's running low. This is, I think, a must-have. This is like 2 accessories which are like top 2, which are very easy to use, especially if you're starting your journey with the ZV-E10 Sony camera, the same as I do. And I think these are the like a must-have. The third one, it's something for people who are more doing like live streamings, or you have maybe a camera in a set position, and what you want to do, you want to just have it there and not move it and don't worry about power. So what I kind of bought is the relay camera coupler, or it's called a dummy battery. So it actually allows you to connect directly to the DC, to the power adapter, and you take off the battery and actually connect this instead of the battery, and thanks to that, your camera always have power. And you know, this is a cool thing because obviously, like, you don't have to worry about power. If you do longer recordings and stuff like that, you'll always have power and you have to worry about replacing those. And I think this is a cool thing because it's very small, very portable, and you can use it without any problems. And the third one, which I kind of tested and did kind of a lot of research on the market, I decided to buy the VideoMic GO II. And this is just to make the quality of the sound better and, you know, make it nicer, and kind of when I record, I don't have to worry about, you know, more of a sound reduction, stuff like that. It will just, the quality immediately will be better. I also have the separate video kind of review about the microphone itself, and showing you kind of a review of on a separate video, where you can see actually the difference between this and actual Sony ZV-E10, because I think it makes a huge difference. Alright, this is it from me. You just saw the top kind of 4 gadgets which I think everyone should have with Sony ZV-E10. But there is a 5th one which is a bonus, and I think you must have. If you forgot about it, if you're actually buying some accessories right now, this is the 5th one which I'm calling a bonus one. Because I also bought the case for it, and honestly, like I wasn't a fuss about it. I did just a bit of a research, and I wanted to buy something that actually holds the camera nicely. I bought it from Hammer, and I can leave the link under the description if you want. It's not sponsored as well. And this is just a simple kind of case for my camera, just to hold it and have it nicely, you know, case. And this is something which I bought it actually a day after because I totally forgot about it. So I hope that within this video you immediately can buy it, everything, and you know, be ready for recording and take your camera safely with you. This is it from me, and if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Just hit that like and subscribe to be up to date with everything what's going on and with the new videos appearing, and see you in the next one. Take care!
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.